Suspendido ng 60 araw si Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga. Base sa report ng House Committee on Ethics and Privileges, guilty si Barzaga ng disorderly behavior dahil sa mga post niya sa social media. Inatasan siyang alisin ang ilang post niya sa loob ng 24 na oras at binigyan ng warning na papatawan siya ng mas mabigat na parusa kapag inulit ang gawain. Walang matatanggap na sahod ang kongresista habang suspendido siya. Tanggap naman daw ni Barzaga ang desisyon ng komite. Pero parang pinatayan siya ng microphone kanina. Ano? Pakinggan natin.
Kiko Barzaga is hereby recognized.
Okay. Testing. I wholeheartedly accept the decision of the committee, but I maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate of serving the
Mr.
people is
Speaker,
inconsequential
point of
in
order.
relation to the amounts of lives
Mr. Speaker,
and
point of
futures
order.
that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of
of
order, Mr. Speaker.
100,000 to bring
Natayan na
Marcos
siya ng
Sr.
microphone. Parang ito rin yung pinapapunta rin siya kasi sa Congress for Ethics Committee hearing. Tapos sabi niya hindi siya nakapunta kasi nag-video game siya, di ba?
Oo, yung na-late siya.
Na-late siya.
Oo.
Pasaway din eh.